Spanish postmodern architect Ricardo Bofill. Main aspects about him: he was born on December 5, 1939 in Barcelona, Spain. He studied architecture at the Barcelona School of Architecture 1955 to 1956 and at the University of Architecture in Geneva, Switzerland 1957 to 1960. He emerged as a distinguished architect whose work combined socialist ideals with a commitment to improving people's lives through architecture. He founded the Taller de Arquitectura in Barcelona in 1960 with the aim of imbuing his designs with a sense of individuality, sovereignty, and ownership. He rejected the principles of Le Corbusier and Mies van der Rohe and positioned his work as a brutal protest against prevailing architectural norms. Bofill achieved international recognition in the 1960s with projects such as the Gaudi Quarter in Xanadu in Catalonia, Spain, where he paid homage to Antonius Gaudi's expressive architectural style. His designs incorporate vernacular motifs such as curved tile roofs and Mediterranean-inspired windows, creating spaces that were both functional and evocative of Gaudi's spirit. In 1963, Bofill was awarded the Spanish National Architecture Prize for his outstanding contribution to the field of architecture. In the 70s, he undertook projects in France combining baroque-spatial organization with traditional elements of urban planning. His use of reinforced concrete and prefabricated panels reflect a departure from Mediterranean vernacular architecture towards a more classic aesthetic, reminiscent of the work of Louis Kahn. Projects such as Les Arcades du Lac exhibit Bofill's ability to create architectural compositions that resonate with the designs of the 18th century French architects. The pinnacle of his work, Bofill and his workshop explore a more sophisticated side of classic syntax in his design for Les Spaces d'Abraxas in the Marne-la-Vallée suburb of Paris. The interior facade of the semicircular amphitheater has a gigantic seven-story colonnade with attached columns whose shafts are made of glass panels. The entire composition creates the impression of a gigantic theater in addition to the use of traditional elements to create dramatic architectural forms. A recognition of his work. Bofill's contribution to the field architecture were honored with the Gold Medal of Merit in the Fine Arts in 1999, underscoring his significant impact on the built environment and his enduring legacy in Spanish and international architecture. The references, and thanks for watching.